Hello everyone. In this video, we shall be discussing conjunctions. We shall discuss the types and how to effectively use conjunctions in constructing meaningful sentences. I entreat you to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up if in the end you find it educative. So, what are conjunctions? When we talk of conjunctions, what do we really mean? Conjunctions are words or group of words that connect two or more words, phrases, clauses, as well as sentences. To put short, conjunctions are simply joining words. So words such as and, but, yet, so, after, until, both, and the likes are examples of conjunctions that join sentences together. Let's quickly take a look at the types of conjunctions. There are three main types of conjunctions. They are coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Let's take a look at the first type, coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are usually used to join parts of a sentence that are grammatically equal. In other words, coordinating conjunctions may join two independent clauses or words that are of equal importance. That is to say, this type of conjunction functions by connecting two or more verbs, pronouns, nouns, or any other elements of grammar that are the same or similar in nature. For instance, you cannot say, I love singing and a dance. But what you can say is, I love singing and dancing. The reason why the first statement is wrong is because we're trying to use a coordinating conjunction to connect the verb singing to the noun a dance. Coordinating conjunctions are short, simple words and are only 7 in number. For easy identification of coordinating conjunctions, the acronym FANBOYS is used, where F stands for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. Let's take a look at some examples. Dora likes chocolates and biscuits. Neither Bamford nor Felix is a good fit for me. How do you like it? Grilled or roasted? Today is a holiday, so I will not go to school. You should note that when and is used with the last word of a list, a comma is optional. For instance, Mama bought me books, pens, and erasers. You notice that a comma is present before the conjunction and in the first sentence and absent in the other sentence. Writing both sentences this way is acceptable. Let's now shift our focus to the second type of conjunctions, which is the subordinating conjunction. A subordinating conjunction, as the name suggests, joins a subordinate or a dependent clause to an independent clause. This means that when you have a sentence containing a subordinating conjunction, a part of that sentence can clearly stand on its own, whereas the other cannot. Let's clarify this with some examples. I will be right here as soon as I find my purse. You will be demoted even if you pass this subject. I will come around if Duke leaves your house. What do you see in these three sentences? Well, you will notice that in each one of the sentences, there is a subordinating conjunction that connects a dependent clause to an independent clause. Here is a list of the most common subordinating conjunctions. They can also be remembered with the acronym on a white bus. Correlative conjunctions. This group of conjunctions work in pairs to join clauses or sentences together. Example: Richard's result was not as bad as I thought. No sooner had Patrick gone to take a shower than the doorbell rang. Hardly had the students reached the exam hall when the examinations commenced. In these three examples, you realize that two conjunctions work hand in hand to connect sentences together, so that when you see one of the twin conjunctions in a sentence, you are aware of the other conjunction that follows. Here is a list of the most common correlative conjunctions. You should note that there is a fourth type of conjunction called conjunctive adverbs. This group of conjunctions are really adverbs that perform the role of conjunctions by linking words and sentences together. The rule in using conjunctive adverbs is simple. A full stop or a semicolon should come before any conjunctive adverb, and there should be a comma after it when you have two independent clauses. Let's look at some examples. John is a skillful footballer. However, he hardly trains. Eva has been working very hard towards this competition. Nevertheless, she is the most nervous person here. Here is a list of some of the most common conjunctive adverbs. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget once again to like this video and subscribe to the channel.